Right, guys, so we're going to set up Zoho Mail. This is important, I think, if you want to see people's replies to your emails within all these apps, within one system. You want to set up Zoho Mail to use, to send, to see what's happened, to see who's opened emails, and a lot of funky features. You can use your own email address, that you don't need to use Zoho Mail. But the extra features it brings, I recommend doing this step and having one email that you send from, that you can see everything that's been said. So first thing, you need to verify your domain. I just recorded a video and deleted it. But you know, in setup videos, mine didn't verify. Here it would say verify. Just click and go through a verification process again. This time for me it took. So it's taken about an hour for GoDaddy to be happy. If you're having problems with verifying, leave a comment below and I'll put a section somewhere where it'll help you get through the verification process. Alright, so what we're going to do though is install Zoho Mail. Now, I'm a little bit worried it's going to have my mobile account and I've got it on a different email. So, you go to applications. If it isn't on here already, you're going to go add, mail, add. Right? Mail's not yet set up, so I'm going to set it up. Enter your phone number. As a secure measure, you might need to link your phone number with this account and verify. You need to link, right? So I'm pretty sure it's not going to be happy because I use Zoho 1 and it knows that my phone number is already in use. So I'm going to have to jump past and find somebody else's to use. So I hate stuff like this where if you've got two accounts, they don't let you use the same number. I've got my own Zoho 1 account with that phone number, so I need to find somebody else to use. So it's worth noting, if you use Zoho Mail for your club, but you're also thinking of using it for your business, then you're gonna get a mobile phone problem. So I'm gonna have to get a workaround by borrowing somebody else's phone, I think. All right, so I had to use my dad's mobile number. He just walked in the house as I did it. So I used his mobile to get the verification code. So now it's happy. So if you ever need to log in or reset your password, you need to send that to that phone. So I will have to remember I did it to his phone. That is only because I have a Zoho account with that number. Which, Zoho, if you're watching, fix it. Right, so continue. So, first thing it's going to say is what email do you want to send it from? So, provide a desired email. You can have more than one under one user. You can send from different places. You can. It gets a bit funky, but you can. So, am I going to send it as club@happymesports or team or admin? Whatever you want to. Is it info@? I'm going to use team. I like team. Team@happymesports.com, right? Create account. Add users. You can add lots of users at once. Obviously, we're only using one user in this area. Create groups. We're not going to do that for now. Configure email delivery. So we're back to that GoDaddy DNS settings, right? So I've got to make my MX records match this. Okay, so back to GoDaddy. Log in again. My domains. And go to Happy Me Sports, down to DNS. Again, if you're struggling with this, let me know what you're struggling with and I will try to give you some separate videos for your area. So what I'm going to do is MX, so I'm going to do a host, an MX record with a host name of an address of mx.zoho.com and a priority of 10. So what I do is I go add, I go mx, host of paste in mx.zoho.com, priority of 10. TTL you can probably just leave, but I do. So now I've got to do another one. So if you look here, now I'm doing mx2 of a priority of 20. So mx @mx2 and a priority of 20. Yeah, save. Now we're in verification world again. Choose your domain provider, generate generate instructions to. So if you've got these different ones, it's going to show you. So I'm GoDaddy. It's going to show me exactly what I should have done, and it's going to give me a video that I didn't want it to jump out on, and show me exactly how to do that, right? So, but I've done it, so no MX found for the domain, so it hasn't taken yet. So when it's going to take 5 or 10 minutes for that to go through, and these are the places where it'll slow you down, and but you must remove or delete. Oh, so you have to delete any other one. So if it's set anything up, you're going to need to delete it. If you've got any other MX records, obviously I've got a brand new domain. This is also where you need to be careful. You cannot host emails on Google G Suite or emails at GoDaddy or emails at a different server and then host another email on Zoho 1. You can only host it on one place. So this is the only email you will be able to have with this domain, and it'll all be operated from Zoho 1. So you need to understand that, and eventually I guess it will go through, but I'm not going to hang about for it. I'm just going to add that area. Then he says email spooling and blah blah blah. You need to add a text record in there to allow Zoho to send emails as different emails. I believe that's what it's for. So you go to domain, you go to @ this time it's a text @ put in that, paste in that SPF1. Is there a gap between that? Yeah, there is. And again, you may want to put this at 6 minutes just because it'll take faster, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure the initial setup, it matters how long you put there. I don't think it takes an hour to set up. It takes an hour if you change it later. So that's that section done. In addition, to you can add a DKIM signature for your domain to ensure better on email deliverability. So we're going to proceed to do this bit. And DK admin. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this part up in the next video.